morning. This is episode 22. No idea where we're going yet. To be honest, I have no idea what she's doing. And we are a little crooked here. And looking for a place on this very rainy day today. And I hope this looks alright and sounds the part. Ooh. I hate this door.
Sorry, George.
This is difficult. We'll show you when it's done. We parked on a tree. And this is the view. Ugh. Do that again. It looks so fake. Yep, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure we won't get visitors tonight. Here, the trail ends a little bit down the road, and not even Gaia GPS did know this route. We found it by accident.
Because you had to do a cocky.
Yes, I found the place because I had to poop. But, poo with a view. This is an honest representation of what we do when it's shitty outside. She is knitting a scarf, which is 2 meters long and very complicated. And while that happens, we sit here in the rain, not rain, rain, and watch Grey's Anatomy on my cell phone. Thank God for Amazon Prime and offline downloads. And that is the reality of rainy rover life. Why would this car be running in the middle of the night? The answer for that is it's raining all day, and there is a little bit of a fly net in the middle of the tent on the top, and a little bit of water comes through, which now made a little bit of a puddle in the tent, which is bad. So we want to heat the tent, but because we've used the heater all evening, we don't have any juice in the battery left, which is broken. And now we have to run the car to charge the battery, to heat the tent, to dry the tent, to then have a fairly nice night of sleep after a rainy day. That, kids, is why you get a van. So we are at the top of a ski resort where there is a little tiny trail that goes all the way up to this view. But now I think we turn around because it's actually the wrong direction going this way. But we wanted to come up and show you. So here it was. It is, as it always is, difficult to find a place in a crowded area. And the Côte d'Azur is a crowded area. Maybe she has found something.
Chokot, 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 chokot. Hello, David.
We are now going to show you how to level your car on an uneven ground.
Very good job. Oh, fuck. Okay, stop.
Step 1 of how to level your car is find out how crooked you are. Now, you can either do it like me and just drive here and rely on your buttocks to tell you how crooked you are, or you take the handy dandy device that you have in your pocket anyway and take the leveling function of it and put it on top. Next step, you put it on the back and repeat. So we're tipping down in the front, and because we're Germans, we are now going to perfect this and do a 0-0, so that when we sleep, the only thing messing with us will be the wind and the cold and the rain. Don't get in reverse because there's piercing.
Yeah, you're on the stone.
Oh, I'm on the last percent of battery, so this has to be quick. Coffee time!